Namaste guys, कैसे हैं आप सभी? I'm Archana and welcome to today's meditation. Today we are going to feel the healing vibration of the mystical sound of Om. We are going to drown and experience the silence which comes with Om. So, are you ready? The simple thing what you have to do, sit down, or if you are not comfortable in sitting, then you can lie down. Basically try if you can sit. Alright, so sit straight or lie down comfortably, close your eyes. Make yourself first as comfortable as you can. Your spine should be straight but not stiff. And if you are lying down, make your body completely relaxed. Your legs is completely relaxed, your back is resting properly, and your hands is relaxed, and your head is resting comfortably. Alright, so once you're settled with your comfortable position, now we focus for the chanting of Om. So we are doing the Om chanting in a two-way. The first we are doing without making any break, and the second time you have to do with a little pause. So the first thing 10 times you have to do the Om chanting. So you first take a deep breath and you start. I'll give you the example. So take a deep breath. Likewise, you go for 10 times. Okay, once you complete this 10 rounds of without pause of the Om chanting, just relax. You don't have to do anything. Feel that vibration in your body. Feel it all around you. Okay, after a while, we have to do the second round of the Om chanting. Now, this time it is long, deep, and of course it's loud enough that you should feel it, that vibration all over, and your whole body can listen that sound, right? So now take a deep breath. So, with the good deep breathing and the little pause, do it this 10 times. Guys, remember the sound, the M sound, the ma sound is very important. That sound is basically more relaxing and more healing for your soul. So, the sound has to be equal, the O and M. Alright? So after this, when you complete this 10 rounds, you just relax. You drown into the silence. Go deeper and deeper. Feel yourself. Feel that vibration all over your body. The Om is a universe sound. The Om is the healing sound. It's a divine sound. It helps you to heal yourself. It has a power of to remove all the negativity from inside and outside. Now slowly focus all that healing energy and power and try to heal your stress, your illness, any trouble if you are having. Feel this healing sound, this divine sound is giving you more energy, more positivity. Slowly merge yourself into this deep silence and this divine sound. Become one with the universe. Experience this infinite bliss. We are a part of this wonderful, mysterious universe. Experience how it feels when you merge and become one with the universe. You can be in this state as long as it's possible. When you come back, when you want to come back, slowly feel your body again. Come back to your consciousness. Come back to your body. To feel your body, move your toes and the fingers a very little. But don't open your eyes right away. Feel that lightness. Feel that relaxation. And with slowly, once when you like to open your eyes, with a few blinks, you can open your eyes. When you open your eyes, and if you don't feel like talking for some time, please don't force to yourself. Be in this state, be with yourself how long you are like to. I hope you guys definitely try this one. Such a wonderful experience I hope you will get. I'll wait for your feedback. Thank you so much. Take care, guys.